Hello, how are you? You are highly welcome to my channel. God bless you. My name is Mercy. Thank you for stopping by to watch my video to see what is happening here on this channel. God bless you. I'm so grateful. I'm so excited. Please consider to subscribe to be a full part of this family. Select all to always get notified from the YouTube whenever I upload a new video. Like and put your comments at the comment section, and I will be very grateful to see your comments and see your thumbs up. All right, now in today's video I quickly want to talk about those of you that complain that your husband hardly touch you. Your husband hardly touch you, hardly make his advance to you at night as his legal wife, okay? Or your husband prefer to sleep with outsiders, prefer to cheat on you. All right, now this is your problem. You've been fighting over it and you don't know what to do, but this simple recipe will help you to overcome that challenge by the special grace of God in Jesus' name. And I want you to know that God has joined both of you together, and whatever God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Colossians chapter 3, verse 19. God said commanded your husband to love you and not to hate you. So for you to be able to overcome this kind of battle, that if your husband you don't attract your husband when it comes for intimacy, you'll be needing this. All right, first you have to undergo cleansing. You'll be needing one alligator pepper. Now let me tell you the negative effect of having sex in the dream or eating in the dream. I know I've not really made a video of eating in the dream, but it can cause hatred. It can bring hatred between you and your spouse. If you're having sex in the dream, being a man, being a woman, it can bring hatred. Always use alligator to do cleansing for yourself, because when you do cleansing, you are feeding that spirit with a poison. I remember a sister that sent me a message that when she starts doing cleansing in the dream, if the man come, the man will show his private part to her. She will bite it. You know, the man will come. She's always fighting the man, because that cleansing is giving her the boldness to making her to be spiritually alert, spiritually awakened, spiritually strong to fight that spirit back. Okay, that is very important. So you'll be needing alligator pepper. Take one seed alligator pepper to do cleansing before you carry out this particular solution. Just one seed. Clean yourself, every hatred, everything making me not to be making my husband not to see me interested to touch me as his wife. I remove it in Jesus' name. Then you down your honey pot, you use the alligator pepper, you remove that thing that is making this man not to have interest in this place, whatever that is not calling your husband attention again. You use that alligator pepper to your honey pot, you remove that negative energy or any hatred hanging there. You'll be using alligator pepper to do that. When you are done using the alligator pepper to do that, you'll be needing a coconut. Look for coconuts that have water. You know, a coconut that has water. Then this coconut, as you break this coconut, you are going to tell God everything standing as difficulty between me and my spouse, not to have a real intimacy as a husband and wife. As I break this coconut, I remove that difficulty in Jesus' name. I tell you, whenever you are breaking coconut, you are making your prayer, I remove that difficulty. Then when you break this coconut, you open this coconut. Immediately you open the coconut, you know that coconut is deep. All right, you'll be needing your honey. You'll be needing your honey, original honey. All right, now you'll be needing original honey. Okay, you'll be needing your honey. You just, that coconut water, just take 2 spoons of honey inside that coconut water. All right, next thing you'll be needing is your salt. All right, now I made a video how you can prepare a salt. You can prepare a special salt. You bless it, you keep it aside for your spiritual bath, for anything you want to do. You use that salt. All right, that one is apart. But this particular one, you will not go and use spiritual salt. You go and use your cooking salt, the salt in your kitchen. That one you use to cook food for him, and it tastes good, and he enjoy the food. That's the salt you go and take. You take your salt and take something like this. Look at it though. Look at the hand I use. The middle finger. Look at it. Look at the hand I use. This one and this one. That's these two. You know, look at it. Okay. You take a salt like this, a pinch of salt. You put it inside that coconut water with the honey inside. Then you take your middle finger, you mix it together, you pray Colossians 3 verse 19 inside that. You tell God that you have commanded Johnson to love me, to touch me, to enjoy me as his wife. All right, and so shall it be. As you touch me, you will no longer have taste or have feelings for another woman. All right, you will use your hand. If you are a man, you can also do that. You use it on your joystick. You use the water to wash your joystick. Okay, if you are the type that your wife doesn't allow you to come closer to her again, you can also do that. All right, then you will use your middle finger, mix it together. You pray very well inside that coconut. Then when you finish praying that prayer together inside that coconut, that is why you need inside the coconut. Then you can take that water from the coconut direct. From the coconut, you take that water into your hand and use it to wash your honey pot from the coconut, because coconut is deep. Okay, you take that water from the coconut. Okay, that is how you will take the water from inside the coconut. You now use the water like this and wash your honey pot. All right, you do it, you finish it that day. Another day you do it. Immediately you finish doing it, make sure you take your bath. You go and lie with your husband. All right, go and sleep with your husband the following day. So if your husband is not around, don't do it. If he's back from the war, you know, you do it. And you know, when you know that you have a mission to accomplish, you know, you women, you know how to go closer to your husband. All right, you do it. By the time you do this for 3 days, I believe God. Okay, once your husband semen mix with that water, that honey and the water inside you, everything has mixed together. All right, as honey is sweet, that's how you will be sweet before your husband. Whenever he sleep with you or he has intimate with you, he will enjoy you as his real wife, and the feelings to always come to touch you will come back by special grace of God. So that is how you'll be using this coconut and salt and your honey to be able to solve that problem. And believe God, believe me, it is going to work for you with your faith. All right, thank you for watching. If you find it interested, give me a thumbs up. If your husband is not staying with you, don't do it. Whenever he's coming, he's around, he told you he's around, just go ahead and do it that night. Anywhere he is, whenever I look at another woman, he will always admire you. All right, whenever he touch you, he will admire you as if he just newly get married to you. All right, it is very good that we keep on renewing our relationship, renewing our love, renew things while we live in our marriage. All right, so that things will not remain the same. God bless you. Bye.